Alright, good morning everyone. So, another episode of No Budget Show. This time we'll be cooking something that I really want to try in the Philippines. I haven't tried it before. Sorry for the movements and for the sudden darkness. I haven't tried this before, but I really want to taste it. And today's recipe is actually Ilocos empanada. Yay, the camera is there. So Ilocos empanada. So we will try to make Ilocos empanada, but not 100% Ilocos style, because we know that Ilocos empanada has this longanisa, that's pork, and I don't eat pork. Then there's papaya, and there's no papaya in Japan. So we will be improvising things. So I hope it will work, and if it didn't work, then it's okay, because I think we can still eat it, because we don't want to waste food. Yes. And that is the mantra of No Budget Show. As long as it is safe to eat your mistake. I mean, Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what's up, cookerist? Tasting time. So, epic fail po ang ating pag-wrap because you know, hindi po ako magaling and first time ko pong gumawa nito. It's my first time to make this and I haven't tried Ilocos empanada before. I've just seen pictures and videos. They're making Ilocos empanada and I was captured by the color and the way of cooking. I mean, the way of making this empanada. But of course, I've tried empanada, but not Ilocos empanada. So we've made a lot of failures, but it's fine because we can eat our mistake, and here it is. And I hope it's not 100% mistake. So this is 100%, but the entire process is not. So let's try this one. Whew. Kulang lang ng asin. Pampalasa lang. Pero yung dough okay naman. Ayos ah. Pwede din to. Next is yung somehow na-create natin siya na parang empanada talaga pero hindi ito yung Ilocos empanada kasi totally different yung size niya. But I love the idea of using rice flour or glutinous rice flour sa pagka-fry. I have tried it before ba? But I haven't actually, but this is actually interesting because see, the texture is really good with glutinous rice being fried. Dapat mas dinamihan ko pa yung filling. At saka, parang ito, mas in-enhance ko yung lasa. Wait, kuha ka ng ketchup. It is actually fine. I mean, yung pagkaluto ko, pero mas masarap talaga yung Ilocos empanada. Alright, anyway, maraming salamat sa pagtapos ng video na to. And don't forget to leave a comment kung nagawa nyo na ba or nyo na-try nyo na ba ang Ilocos empanada na magluto or kumain and everything. And I hope that you learned something today to try new things. And yes, this is inexpensive because we're just using mostly ingredients that you can easily find at your home. And by the way, for the filling, I encourage you to try your favorite filling for this style of empanada or for this style of wrapping or something. Yeah, it's good to experiment in the kitchen, but make sure it's safe. And goodbye. Yes. Thank you for finishing the video, and if you want more videos from this channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell and everything, dang 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 dang. And if you're not yet part of the small fam that I'm trying to make, join the button. Yes, and videos, but other interesting videos over there. Thank you so much and see you to our next video.